Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, majority of the altcoins are doing extremely well. But if you want to talk about the tokens that are doing incredibly well, is everything that is related to the Cardano chain. You will notice that Cardano is up about 15%, but everything that's related to Cardano is also doing explosive numbers. And this is due to the fact that Grayscale is hinting to Cardano ETF that might be filed in this week, and that's the reason a lot of money is actually flowing into the Cardano chain, and overall actually incredible for the entire crypto market, because this might be the third or the fourth ETF that might be filed. But if it's able to go through, the amount of institutional money that will flow to the crypto market is going to be incredible. Another thing that's important is if you pay attention to the precious metal market, you realize that in the last 24 hours there was an outflow of cash, and that's why crypto was able to do incredibly well, because a lot of profit taking actually flew into the crypto market. Another thing is Dogecoin is holding strong above the upper boundary of this channel, keeping the path open for a potential rally towards $4. Analysts think that Dogecoin ETF is more likely than Solana or XRP. South Korea exchange chairman urges crypto ETF approval very soon. So there is a lot to cover today. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, and especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. It will just help you stay up to date with the latest and the greatest news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just update the algorithm, push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I want to show you guys this price action. Now, you'll realize that just in the last 8 hours, Dogecoin was able to break above a very critical zone, which is close to 26 cents. After that, it was able to rally all the way to 27 cents, but now it has been rejected. Now, it's not only Dogecoin that actually saw this pullback, it's also Bitcoin. You'll realize that everything, or every single major crypto, is down quite a significant amount after reaching a critical resistance today morning. The reason for this is you'll realize that silver and gold have also seen a red day, and due to that, there was a money that was flowing into the crypto market, and the ETF teas for Cardano obviously allowed for majority of the market to receive a very good inflow of cash. But as the greed was starting to go up, the fear is still very strong. So a lot of people, seeing that the market was able to recover a little bit, they decided to cut their losses, and some people decided to take profit because they're already so high up. Might as well put some money aside if the market does decide to see a little bit of a pullback. Bloomberg, now this was a really interesting post. Bloomberg, several major Wall Street banks are optimistic about the prospects for crypto industry development during Trump's presidency and are actively adjusting their strategy, anticipating a wave of IPOs. Now, this is huge because you need to understand the bigger Wall Street banks which are going to be supporting crypto, the quicker the explosion of crypto will happen. And the way everything is going, there's definitely a lot of room for the crypto market to grow as the amount of money that's actually flowing through it. And that can also be seen for Dogecoin. And Dogecoin is actually holding on to its price very well as long as it stays in the channel. $4 could be just around the corner. And Dogecoin analysts are expecting the Dogecoin ETF to be before Solana or XRP. Grayscale and Bitwise push new ETF applications, signaling a growing demand and possible SEC action in the near future. Now, SEC, ever since Trump has gotten into the office, it's very clear that they have become a little less against crypto. They are a little bit more pro towards crypto, which is incredible for all the crypto investors. But why is this a big deal? Because the amount of ETFs that will be approved will increase significantly, and the amount of restrictions that will be followed by majority of the cryptocurrency will be a little bit less, which will allow for a little bit of a freedom and just not crazy amount of regulations that should be met. Talking about the Dogecoin's open interest, it is up about 8% today, now sitting at 1.3 billion, which is very good. And Bitcoin's one is also up, now catching back to the 30 billion mark. More than 1 million Ethereum has been withdrawn from exchanges in the past 1 week, signaling an increased accumulation and reduced sell pressure. So what do we see from this? Well, in simple terms, Ethereum is going to be seeing a little bit of a push, while we're not going to be experiencing any sort of sell-off. And Bitcoin, XRP, Solana, Cardano may be set for a brief pullback as the TD substantial indicator is flashing a sell signal on their hourly chart. Now let me tell you one thing. If there is a sell signal, it does mean that there is a little bit of a chance of a pullback before we see another explosive result. Now today is the first day after a long time where Dogecoin is not trending on Twitter, but XRP is still leading the chart by quite a margin. Let me tell you one thing, Bank of America only using XRP for all their transaction. What else do you need? Is that not enough? I'm not selling my XRP, Giga Bullish XRP. Now XRP is getting some very massive partnerships with a lot of banks around the world, not just the US bank, but actually talking about a lot of different banks which are actually connecting themselves to XRP, and even in Japan, as we have seen. And the number of Ethereum whales holding over 10,000 Ethereum has risen by 2% since 1st of February, signaling a growing accumulation. Now it's very clear to see that the amount of people that want to hold Ethereum for the long term is definitely increasing, and they do see the potential of it growing even quicker. Analysts spot a key Dogecoin pattern that could take Dogecoin past $1, and the rate at which it's growing, $1 does not seem too far-fetched, because I feel like recently I've been seeing way too many analysts be super optimistic when they say, oh, we can hit $7. Now that just seems very far-fetched due to the fact that the market cap would become too big to be handled, and Japan's FSA eyes crypto as securities and sweeping regulatory overhaul. I talked about this earlier today, but now this is becoming a bigger thing. So in simple terms, they're just trying to get it as a security. So on 10th of February, the FSA intends to determine the direction of the potential system reforms based on the study group finding by the end of June. And following their discussion, the agency aims to draft and submit a bill to relevant laws during the 2026 ordinary diet session. So they just want to get a little bit more clear in terms of how crypto should be viewed by the government. And Poland's central bank will not buy Bitcoin under any circumstances. That was announced. And you can buy a lot, gain a lot, as well as lose a lot, a bank official said. However, we prefer something certain, which could be seen as more like precious gold. And Ripple uses XRP to build Internet of Value. Now, what does this all mean right now? In simple terms, if you're just trying to make profit, I would say the market's going to go sideways for a little bit, as they're going to be able to try to make a decision in terms of what to expect in the near coming future. But overall, the market is still in a good trend, so the bullish thesis are still going to be met, but might take a little bit longer. And keep in mind, for Dogecoin, April is not too far. Just in about a month and a half, we will be in April, and that's going to be a pretty good month for the meme coins. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. This is not financial advice. Do your own research, and I just like to give my opinion. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.